In this tutorial, I'll show you how to take your model, and the analytical model specifically, from Revit and put it into Robot for structural analysis. Currently, you'll see here that our model exists with boundary conditions. The connections are set. We got loads, live load on here, and a wind load, and then also the load combination was created. If you come to that load combination, there's currently one listed here. Now, that means that we're all prepped, and to send it to Robot, the first thing you do need to do is make sure that the Robot is up and ready to go. So you need to open the Robot program before it will actually convert over. So you could click here and hit Robot Structural Analysis link, but it wouldn't send until Robot itself is open. So again, make sure you're in the Analyze tab. Come over here once Robot is open and hit the Robot Structural Analysis link. And once that's set, it will ask you to either send the model or update the model. If you have a larger model that has say multiple stories, a 15, 20-story building, there's a lot of intricacies in there, and to update an entire model or to send an entire model will take a lot of time. You can actually only update the specific things to Robot if it's already been transferred once. In our cases, we'll be working with such small models. We should just do a direct integration and send the entire model each time. When that is clicked, it'll go through the process, basically taking all of the levels, all of the nodes, all of the members, and process them over and put it directly into Robot. Once that is confirmed, it'll ask if you want to see if there's any errors or look at the process for sending that over to see the report. That report will be generated here very quickly. And there is our report. It just says that everything completed successfully. If you do have warnings, sometimes the nodes have not been done correctly. So if you do not get a successful transfer here, one of the things you do want to go to is look at, this will show all the executions. Again, if you're, just real quick, if you do find that you're not having a correct report, do check your analytical adjust just to the right of load combinations, upper left. If you click here, it will actually show you each of the modules, and it will highlight on where those connections are made. And if you find a joint that's off on the analytical link, you will find that you can actually reconnect it with this tool here. So in this case, again, ours went through just fine. Yours should come through fine, but if you do have issues, work with that analytical adjust tool to finish that one. Now, as shown here, if you look at our model, we can see that the model did come through into Robot. It's a completely separate program, and we'll show that that model comes through here in 3D just as it was visualized there. The different grids came in as well, and the next video will show how to work with that model inside of Robot once it's transferred over.